Hello guys and welcome to Miss Lou's classroom. Today what we are going to learn is how to round off decimals. Alright, so there's a few things we need to know and I'm pretty sure you guys have encountered this in primary school. What I would like you to draw for me is we start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you guys draw that for me? Alright, we're gonna draw a rocket ship, okay? Now the rocket isn't flying yet, so we're gonna have it at ground based. Okay? Now, if your rocket, this is your rocket here, is 4 or under, okay? That means your rocket stays the same. It doesn't have enough power to blast off. Okay? However, if your rocket is a number 5 or above, it has enough power to blast off to the next number. Okay, so we're going to use this little story that I just quickly made up on how to round decimals. So let's write down for me question number 1. Round to 1 decimal place. Okay, I'm going to give you guys an example. 86.246. Now in this question here, it says when you round to 1 decimal place, it means you only want one number after the decimal point. Okay, now looking at this number, we know it's number 2. Yeah, the next number that you see is a number 4. However, number 4, okay, is on the rocket does not have enough power to blast off, right? So what this means is the number 2 stays the same. So anything at the front stays the same, 86.2. And that's what it means. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah? Let's do another one. Example. 0.0871245. Alright, let's say I want to round this to 1 decimal place. Do you guys agree this is one number after the decimal place? However, the next number is a number 8. And looking at the number 8, it's in the red part of the rocket. Yeah? That means it has enough power to blast off. So if it has enough power to blast off, my 0 blasts off to the next number, which is a number 1. Okay? Easy peasy? Okay guys, next example, question 2. So now we have learnt how to round to 1 decimal place. Let's learn how to round to 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places. Alright, I'm going to give you guys an example. Let's say we have 0.481. Okay? Now, because we want 2 decimal places, you want 2 numbers after the decimal place, which is 48. But looking at our next number, it's a number 1. Yeah? So going back to my rocket ship, I'm just going to highlight this rocket ship. Okay? I'm going to paste this rocket ship over here so we have a little picture. Alright, now looking at my rocket ship, the number 1, okay, is in the black section. of the rocket. That means it doesn't have enough power to blast off. That means my 48 remains the same. So 0.48. Cool? Let's do one more example. Let's say we have 86.246. You want two numbers after the decimal place. Okay, that's 24. Looking at my next number, we have a number 6. Now, looking on your rocket ship, number 6 is in the red part of it. That means it has enough power to blast off to the next number. My 24, okay, now becomes a 25. So 86.25. And that's how you round to 2 decimal places. Alright guys, next question. Let's have a look. Question number 3. Round to the nearest thousandths. Now this is in a little different format this time. Yeah? Let's give you guys an example. Let's say I have 0.087125. I'm just going to paste my rocket ship here so we have a little picture to look at. Alrighty. Now, in your thousandths column, we want to know which number it is first. So that's your tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So number 7 is in your thousandths column. Looking at what I've highlighted so far, it means we want 3 decimal places. Okay? Looking at your next number, it's a number 1. Number 1 doesn't have enough power to blast off. That means my 087, so 87, remains the same. And that's how you round it to the nearest thousandths. Okay? Alright guys, I'm going to do one more example. Let's say we do this one. 25.3759. Okay? Same thing. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay? Next number is a number 9. Big enough to blast off to the next number. 375 now goes to the next number, which is 376. Alrighty.